Well, I was a bit inspired by BigClives.com's video about what's in a Poundland 9-volt battery. I thought I would have a look inside some other makes. So let's have a look at this one. It is an Energizer. It is totally flat, there's no power left in it, so there's no risk of any short circuit. So I've not opened one of these batteries for quite a few years. The last one I opened was a zinc carbon one, which was very messy. And I think I can see already what's inside this one. Well, there you go. You can see this one has the same 6 cells inside. Now, I believe the size of these cells is what they call quadruple A. I believe they're used for some tablets. So that is the Energizer one. Now let's have a look, see what the Duracell one's got in it. This one is a lot older. It was left in a radio microphone, and the use by date on it is March 2007. I think we're going to peel the outer cover off somehow. This one seems to have a plastic case inside the metal one. As you can see, they're so much older. They have actually corroded at the joins. So there we have it. That's the inside of the Duracell. That's the inside of the Energizer. Both have these quadruple A cells. I believe they are a little bit shorter than ones you would buy, but if you leave a metal tab on the end, you can put a little blob of solder on there to make them the correct length. If you need to use one, I believe they use them with some tablet pens. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, be very grateful, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.